Ndi Enugu, the sun will rise again. There is no doubt that we face tough challenges today. From the violent attacks and killing of our brothers and sisters at Isi Uzo, increased kidnaps, including one of the Catholic priests at Igbo-Eze South, the killing of security operatives at Agbani, a fire outbreak at Kenyatta, farmlands destroyed by floods at Uzo-Uwani, and accidents that claim lives on Ugwu Onyeama Enugu Expressway and other dilapidated roads in the state. The economy is not friendly, and the general insecurity continues to worsen food insecurity in the state. There's enough bad news to go round, but we must not lose hope or let fear keep us from pursuing the dream of a better life and a better Enugu State. We thank the security services for their efforts to keep us all safe, but also at this time, charge them to double their efforts to address their circumstances. I also call on the government to wake up to its responsibilities and provide the needed logistics support for transportation, communication, and other incentives to enable our officers better discharge their duties. More importantly, in these trying times, we must not let fear steal our compassion for one another. We may not have all the answers, but today, you can hold your neighbor's hand. Let them know that they are not alone. We are all we have, and together we'll make it to a new day. Onye angana wanneya. And indeed, no one will be left behind. God bless you. God bless Enugu State. My name is Frank Nweke Jr., gubernatorial candidate, All Progressives Grand Alliance ABGA. Nka Bonkai. Onye angana wanneya. The sun will rise again.
If you like better thing, vote Frank Nweke Jr. for Governor Enugu 2023. Vote ABGA.